feels good to finally be back. I missed you guys. So while I've been gone, I've been sitting and reflecting on my whole life. And one thing I had to do was move out.
Don't feel anxious.
So I packed my bags, cried a little, and said goodbye to my dogs and started a new chapter of my life. This is something I always feared because I always lived home and I was always so attached to my home and my own space that this was something very new to me. This is going to be an empty house tour, first of all, which I apologize because the first half of this empty house tour, the whole microphone is blocked by my hands because I'm stupid. So I apologize. But anyways, regardless, it's only for the first 5 minutes of the video. After that, we are going to go shopping a little bit for my new room. And after shopping for my new room, we are going to decorate my new room, which this video will be probably split into 2 parts because there is a lot of information to grasp. So without further ado, I really hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get on with the house.
You got me in.
So this is where you walk in. This is the outside over here. My car is like right there. Okay, so then when you walk in, this is it. So this right here is going to be the living room, I guess. Over here is what leads to the basement, which I'll probably do at the end. So when you walk here, the best part, look, it has this big mirror like right here. All my mirror selfies are gonna be here. And then if you walk over here, this is the kitchen. So there's a refrigerator, there's a microwave, look how nice like the furniture is, like how they painted everything. We got a toaster, we got a couple cups. Then one of my roommates, I think, already put up. See, this is where the audio gets really bad. Basically, this is just a storage room. This is where we're gonna keep all our food, like our little pantry, and then like coats and shoes and stuff. That's this whole section over here. And then if you open this door, which is right next to the pantry, this is our patio. That's our garage. And then we also have a grill right over there, which is amazing. So then if you walk right out of there, you're gonna be around in this hallway. This is gonna be my bathroom. Me and my roommate Katie are gonna be sharing this because our rooms do not have bathrooms and we're right next to each other. This is also gonna be the main bathroom all our guests are gonna be using because it's right by the kitchen and I've never shared a bathroom before, so I'm really excited. And then this is where the audio gets good. So then this is the bathroom, look how cute it is. And then we have a nice little shower head, a bunch of things to put our stuff. And then this light, it's like so pretty, like look at that. Katie's gonna be in this room, this is gonna be my room, and then this is my friend May's room, which is also going to be living with us. Oh my god. So this is my room. She's a little square, but like, come on, she's cute. It came with like all this stuff too. I could just put my clothes here. I'm gonna like buy a shoe rack. But this is my room over here. And then I'll probably put a vanity over here and then just make it space themed because that was the goal I wanted with my room at home. But since I knew I was moving out, I was like, oh, I'll wait and I'll do it on this room. So this is my room. Over here, this is the next room. This is Katie's room. Oh my god. Over here, this is Katie's room, and her bed looks so cute. She already got her bed up. And then over here, this is May's room. So May kind of like already did a couple things. Oh my god, it looks so good. Like she got all her stuff, like she's getting ready. Her bed, her carpet. She has the master, so she has 2 closets over here, and then she also has the bathroom. So this is her bathroom. Oh my god, it's so nice. This is her bathroom. So if we go here, over here, this is gonna be Tori's room. We're gonna make this part of Tori's room. So it's super big, it's super spacious. I love the lights. And then we have a chimney here. We have a closet right here, and then we have a light here, and then over here just leads to like the laundry room and stuff. Closet, and then this is going to be the bathroom. Here's the shower over here, and then this is the mirror. See, it's so cute. This is going to be Hale's room. So it's super nice, it's super big. So that was basically the whole house. Oh my god, this feels so weird to be vlogging in another house. But I'm really nervous because I'm a big homebody and I love being home. And I know it's gonna be the same thing kind of living at home. It's just that I'm gonna miss my mom a lot. I'm going to miss my dogs a lot. I know I'm close to home. I'm like 20 minutes away. It's not that big of a deal at all. Also, I've always wanted to move out for at least 1 year of college. If I don't like it, I'll just move back home. But I kind of just always wanted to get that experience in because I didn't get to choose my college, my nothing. Like everything was chosen for me, which like I couldn't complain because everything happens for a reason and I ended up loving it. And I did have the chance to change colleges, but I was like, no, like I love this school. Like I joined a sorority, I made a bunch of new friends, and I just put myself out there. Instead of being so sad in my room, I was like, no, what am I doing? So that's basically it for the house. I just need to start decorating so you guys can come shop with me. I did it! Got the goods. I'm really overthinking this one. Do you think it's actually necessary? I think it's like on my wall. All right, we're gonna get her. I don't know, are these gross? No, I think they're cute. Keep them? All right, let's check out. We did it! Hey guys, so today's actual move-in day and we're moving in today. We're moving into my new house. The funny thing is the guy was supposed to come today at like 7 p.m. I just found out he's coming now. I have nothing ready. I should have packed clothes and stuff, so at least he could have helped me bring those stuff in. I do have like 40 minutes, which isn't a lot of time, but I feel like I can make the most out of it. Also, knowing me, I save everything till last minute, so this was very unexpected. What I was thinking to bring, I'm definitely not bringing this bed. I kind of like the white theme of this room. I will be staying here a lot. I think I'm also gonna bring my brother's bed, which I will show you guys in a second. We'll go to his room. It's like little things, like this is like a caddy or whatever it's called. I have a bunch of organizers. I don't know if I'm gonna bring them all, but you know, more hurts now than less, and I could just bring everything back. I don't need candles, creams and stuff. I have to put everything in, and now that they used it all for this morning, I could just dump it all in here. Shower stuff right here, and then I got my FabFitFun box, and then they gave me this battery powered toothbrush, so I think I'm gonna just bring it. I had to just clean everything. This was the vanity I was gonna bring, not sure anymore. Kind of just waiting last minute to see how we feel. Also, I got this yesterday at Garage. It is the cutest jean jacket. This is already oversized as it is. You could wear it oversized if you want, but then also if you don't want to wear it oversized, you can tighten it up with this strap. It has a belt. So it's like literally best of both worlds. I'm obsessed with this jacket, like you have no idea. Let's go into my brother's room, because this is the bed I want to bring. It's kind of just a darker theme to it, but it has like under storage, which is great, because that's exactly what I need that my bed doesn't have. Kind of want to bring this to put my jewelry in. I'm gonna just organize this for now, get back to packing clothes. Mattress, bed. Oh, we don't want mattress. Ding dong! Okay guys, so right now I'm with my dogs. They moved everything in. We are going to the house right now real quick. I'm gonna just see them move everything in, let them in and stuff. I'm gonna let my dogs see the house because they haven't seen it yet. I think one of the roommates are home. Hopefully she'll be okay with it. So I'll see you guys when we get to the house. Ah! We're here! We're here! Aww. So I walked in, I didn't bring my dogs because I didn't want to scare them, and the guys came like shortly after. They built my brother's bed for me. It took like 20 minutes for them. It was such an easy job, and then they were all done. Everything is literally moved in, and I'm happy I didn't bring that vanity I was telling you guys about. There's literally no room. This is so weird. I'm living here. That's so weird. This is a lot for me. It looks good. It looks good so far. And then I have this nightstand, which was my brother's. And then this is the view to my patio. I'm gonna come back later tonight with a couple friends, maybe my mom. We'll just move more stuff in. I want to FaceTime my mom and show her how she likes it. So, Hi guys, it's like a couple days after. Currently packing, still home, yeah. The amount of people who have yelled at me to get out of my house is a lot. I don't want to leave. I've already been paying 2 months rent and I haven't left. Might be having a mental breakdown. I slept with my dogs last night. It was great. We snuggled. Now my bed is a mess. Anyways, besides the point, I started packing. I will show you guys what I packed. Okay, I'm just finally starting to bring my skincare stuff, some razors, scissors, soap, my hair product, my vitamins and stuff, my legendary sleeping mask. These are my shoes so far that I'm bringing. I'm bringing a lot of shoes and there's still more. We're getting there though. So I packed everything up, and probably like around like 20 minutes of me trying to close this freaking suitcase, I finally got it closed. I like overpacked everything, and like my mirror was like coming out and I didn't want to break it, so like I'm literally struggling to close this suitcase. I think this day was probably one of the most saddest days because this was the day I actually left my house. I packed all my things that like I usually wouldn't pack because, well, I'm leaving, and I said goodbye to my dogs. And this moment, I'm so happy I filmed it because this was such a genuine moment. I filmed this probably like last month in like September. I'm a little late to editing it because, well, I've been so busy, life's been messy, but this moment was so genuine. I'm so happy I caught it. Saying goodbye to Coco. He follows me everywhere. And my dogs like give me my happiness. Like I love them so much. They make me happy. So this was a really sad moment. It makes me like tear up right now just seeing him, like saying goodbye to him. But I say goodbye to him. Look at the way he waddles. He follows me everywhere. Look at his smile. He's so cute. I can't. Car's fully packed. I have so many things. I have this. The bag isn't that packed, so I can fit a couple more things. And then this is the last side. That is a little pack. I don't know why everyone just put the bags here, but bye, precious mom. What? Oh, I'm literally being dramatic when I live 20 minutes away. I love it. I love my house. I love my neighborhood. I hate my town. Love my town, hate the people. You feel like the car's all packed. I'm gonna make my way back to the house. I am sweating. Like I said, it's been a couple days since you guys last saw my room. I'm definitely cutting this video off soon because I would rather do like a whole room tour and show you guys everything. I got LED lights. They finally came in on Amazon. I'm gonna hang it up, but I'm also just gonna dust up the room because there are a lot of spiders. One of my friends came and he took the spider off, and there's one right there and it came back. So I don't know where all these spiders are coming from. I'm definitely gonna do a room tour in these upcoming weeks, so stay tuned to see the final product of my room. I still need that dresser and a vanity and a couple more things. Thank you guys so much for 11K. That is the most craziest thing in the world. Thank you so much. Bye! Up next in this room series. So basically, since I fell off the face of the earth, these clips are from months ago, but I want to give you guys an updated room tour because my room is finally done. I rise when I rap. On flex, let me show you what I'm. So I went to Target real quick. I got this cute mirror. Then I got this because I got a 6-cube organizer, so I'm gonna put that over here, and then my TV will be on top of that, which is perfect because that works out. I got command strips because I need command strips for the mirror maybe, or like for any other decorations I have. And then I got an extender because I also needed one of those. And then I got a waffle maker, which that's going in the kitchen. So stay tuned for the next upcoming weeks, which I will film that for you guys. But other than that, I will see you guys next week with a brand new video finally. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're new, and I love you guys to infinity and back.